colors of those clouds. Colors are literally one of the biggest pleasures. Sunrise in Ibiza. It's like heaven. Good morning. What a great sign of the morning. This is just magical. Why is it moving? Oh, it's the clouds moving. Oh no, she's gone. So I'm making my morning tea. Smells like bergamot. Yesterday I did my first Instagram live yoga instruction video. It was just a little stretch video. Lasted about 30 minutes. But I just wanted to tell you that I'm going to be doing more, and I'm going to experiment with doing them on Zoom. As you know, I'm a big fan of Zoom. I just love the community that it builds, and the one-on-one, and the fact that it's live. There's a lot of things I like about it. I'm still not sure how I'm going to organize that. I guess I should have a newsletter that I send. So if you sign up to my newsletter, I might actually send a newsletter with everybody that's subscribed so far, because I know there's a lot of you subscribed to my newsletter already, which I never send. So I will send one just kind of announcing stuff that's coming and what's happening. Then I will see what times are better, but I think the times that are better to do something like this, because it's like a morning stretch or evening wind down. I'm gonna make it 9 a.m. and 6 or 7 p.m. and I'm gonna make that available for West Coast time and London time. So it will be like 9 a.m. Los Angeles time one day, and then another day I'll do 9 a.m. Ibiza time. Obviously it will be available everywhere, but those are kind of the times that I want to be able to offer the service. So I'll do it at 6 p.m. I think it is over here. It's 9 a.m. over there. Here's my brew brewing in my Fortnum and Mason. And this is my favorite teacup from Fornasetti. I'm a huge fan of Fornasetti, everything. It's just so exquisite. So I'm here planning on writing many things. I'm going to start a newsletter. I don't know if I've mentioned that before, because I've been working on it for a while. And then we can have something where there's a community and there's a regularity, and also there's a subscription, because I know I've mentioned before that I really like the idea of subscriptions. I woke up at 6 in the morning for some reason. Check out this winter sunset.